Yeah, welcome back, guys. Welcome to one more live video on how to find forex setup episode. The purpose of putting this kind of episode here is for you to be able to grasp the understanding of finding setups properly, because most of you guys have an issue in identifying proper setups to trade. So I decided to put this kind of episodes here so that anybody who comes to my channel will be able to spot good entries to keep the setups in their mind, so they will also be able to trade on their chart and make some profit. Yesterday I did live trading for you guys to see as I trade on H1 and M15. I only record my live trading on M1, but finding forex setup episode is for your real trades you are going to take on H1 and on M15. That's why this episode is for. So if you are here today, pay attention to what we are going to do today. Pay attention to the charts and the setups and the entries and the reasons why I took those entries. So if you are ready, then let's get to the chart and let's see the trades I took today. It's in the evening. My family is in the house. If you hear any noise, it's my family is back. Okay, they are back from school, so they're in the house. This is my room dedicated for my trading, but nobody comes here. So if you hear any noise at the background, forgive me for that, because they are in the house in the hall. Okay? So if you are ready, then let's go to the chart and let's see the trades I took today and keep the setup also in your mind. Okay, so beginning with the current trend meter, as you know, we always trade with the current trend meter, right? On this channel, we trade only with the current trend meter because the current trend meter helps you to find perfectly trending market. Instead of searching for all the forex pairs and getting confused, the current trend meter gives you the gateway for you to find better setups or better markets which are trending, right? And then you find your setup and you trade. So let's begin with the current trend meter, what I took today. So on the current trend meter, on the screenshot I took today, you could see that checking from the H4, you could see that the card is strong, right? The card is strong and the yen is weak. So we are merging the card and the yen because we want to find a trending market. If the stronger guy is chasing the weaker guy, definitely the market will be trending. So if you want to trade, you will trade card yen. So let me write it here. So we trade card and the yen. The next pair we can also merge is we can notice that the card is also strong and the pound is weak. So we can also merge pound with the card because the card is so strong. So I can say card pound, but I can't say card pound, okay? But for you not to get confused, I'm arranging it this way. It's pound card. But because I don't want you to get confused, let me arrange it this way. Let me arrange this way. The next thing we can also look at from the current trend meter is that the NZD is strong. So I could also merge the NZD with any of these guys. So I can say NZD with the JPY. Can you see? And I could also merge the NZD with the pound or maybe the switch. So NZD switch, NZD with the switch or pound. Okay. So when you do this, you are definitely going to find trending market because you are merging the strongest with the weakest, which means definitely you are going to find trending market. All these guys, they will all be trending perfectly. And now you realize that the market is trending, so we're going to search for our entries along the trend. But we can also find a ranging market. We can find out that we can merge the card and the NZD since both of them are all strong. So we can say that card NZD or NZD card, NZD versus the card. And when you do this, you are going to find a ranging market because both of them are strong. So both of them are going to range. If the stronger guy is fighting the stronger guy, they'll be turning upside and right. So both of them are strong. So let's go to the chart and see the trades I took or the setup. I did the screenshot for you to see. So that you also be able to keep those things in your mind, the setups in your mind when you are trading, you do the same. So the first chart on our list from the current trend meter was the card yen. And as you can see, when I opened the card yen this morning, the market was trending beautifully. Can you see? Anytime when you merge the strongest with the weakest, you will definitely find the market trending. The market will be trending beautifully. So you can see that the market was trending beautifully, but I couldn't get any trade on this particular chart. Why? Because I was waiting for an entry. I didn't get any entry on this particular chart. At this zone, I was waiting. I didn't get any entry. I didn't get any entry here. I didn't get any entry any of these around this zone. So I didn't take any trade on the card yet since I did not get any entry. When you open your chart, it doesn't mean that the moment you open your chart and market is trending, just start buying. No, you must look for a particular spot where you can buy and it will give you more probability or high win rate in your favor. Okay, don't just open your chart and just be buying. No, you have to be searching for good entry. So because of that, I did not get any entry on this particular chart. Though the market was trending, I didn't get any entry on this particular chart. So I did not take any trade on the card here. The next pair I was looking at was the pound card, because we've done card yen and there was card and the pound. And as you can see, I got very good entry here because I realized that the market was hitting support zone. Can you see this support zone? Can you see? This is a clear support zone. The market was hitting a very clear support zone. Watch. Very clear support zones. But the question is, why did I buy here? Why did I take the trade here? Because you can see support, 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 support. There's another support here, support there, support there. So which means this is a very strong support area. So because of that, I can now confidently take my trade. So this is where I entered. Can you see my log? This is where I entered on this candle. This candle was my confirmation candle. This particular candle was my confirmation candle because it's like bearish engulfing pattern. Can you see? So when I saw this, I placed my sell order here and the market logged me in and my take profits was here. Stop loss was behind the pattern, and as you can see, stop loss of what? 1:2. So if you are risking 1, you always make 2. Okay, so 1:2. That was my stop loss. So that's where I took the trade. But do you understand why I took the trade? The market was trending, but I didn't just go forward to sell. I have to wait for a good confirmation pattern. So let me explain to you again. I said you could see that there was a support zone here. Can you see? So there was a support zone at this zone. The support zone here. Guys, are you watching support? So support, 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 support. And when there was a small break, I found this big bearish engulfing pattern, and that's where I took my trade. So it was a successful trade. It was a winning trade. Let's see the next chart. The next chart on our currency meter was the NZD with the yen, right? NZD with the yen. So let me open that chart too. Okay, so here is the NZD yen chart, and as you can see, all the trades I took yesterday were all on M15, right? This is NZD yen M15 15 minutes chart. So you can see that this was for yesterday and this was for today, this morning. Have you seen? This is period separators. So we can see that where did I take the trade? You can see there's my log here and my take profit was here. But the question is, why did I enter at this particular zone? That's what you must find out. That's why you're watching this channel, okay? Why did I enter this particular setup? Why did I do that? Let me explain to you. As you can see, the market was trending beautifully with my moving averages. And which moving average have I used? I've already made one video about that. You can use 100, you can use 50, you can use 20. So these are the moving averages on the charts. So you can see that why did I enter the trade here? You can see the market was trending, but I saw this bullish morning star pattern. Can you see? And this was my log. So you can see that the market was trending higher high, pull back, higher high, pull back, higher high, and pull back. So I entered on the bullish engulfing pattern, and my stop loss was behind the pattern. My take profit was here, and my entry was here, which is 1:2 risk reward, guys. 1:2 risk reward every time. Don't take something less, okay? 1:2 risk reward. So you can see power move, retrace, power move, retrace, power move, retrace. And then this is where I entered. After I saw the bullish engulfing pattern, I took my profits here. Very simple. When you always use the currency meter to search for the charts, you find a very clean chart to trade. Trading is very simple if you know what you're doing. You see, it's very simple because I've been using the currency meter to find perfectly trending markets. So trading can be very simple if you know what you're doing. Don't be messing your chart up, okay? Make sure that your chart is always clean and very simple. It's not about how many indicators you are going to have. It's not about the super magic trick. No, it's about the simple things that makes you get a very clean chart. You get good setups and become a successful trader. So let's see the next chart I also took. So the next chart I looked at was the NZD with the card. And as you remember, we met the strongest with the strongest, which means the market is likely to win since we met the strong with the strongest. So on the NZD card chart, as you can see, the market is already ranging, but for you to be able to spot the ends and the bottoms of the ranging setup, that is the problem. So watch carefully. So what happened is that when I opened my chart, I realized that this was yesterday, this is yesterday's chart, and this is for today. So when I opened the chart, when this side was not there, don't focus on this side, okay? When this side was not there, what I saw was that I saw the markets at this zone. You see, I saw this, and I saw these touches. So I was anticipating that the market is going to hit this zone so that it become 3 touches. Then afterwards, I'm going to either wait for the market to touch this side or to touch this side. Then I'll take my entry. But I couldn't get any trade to take on this entry on this particular chart because I missed the entry. Okay, the market came down very fast, such that by the time I realized the market had already pulled forward. The market pushed forward, and then I placed my buy order here, but the market could not trigger me in because the market kept moving forward and kept moving forward and kept moving forward. So I didn't get any trade on this chart. But look at the setup carefully. Next time, you also do the same thing. What did I say? I said that you find support areas. Can you see? And then you wait for the market to touch either the top zone or the bottom zone. Now you will take your trade successfully. You see, the chart is very clear and very simple. That's all. Don't mess your chart up, guys. The chart is very clear, very simple. Always when you're trading, make sure that you trade according to what you know. First, use currency meter to find the ranging market or the trending market. Second, have the setup you're searching for in your mind. You must have whatever you're looking for in your mind. Third, look for your entry criteria. On this particular ranging strategy, my entry criteria is just to hit the horizontal line. If it hit the horizontal line, that is it. I enter immediately and I take my profit, or I take my profit target 1:2, stop loss is 1. So if I'm risking 100, I must make what? 200. If I'm risking 500, I must make 1000. If I'm risking 200, I must make 400, which is 1:2 risk reward. So that's it. Very, very simple. Those are the trades I took today and the chart I look at today. As you can see, I opened about 4 or 5 charts, but I took only 2 trades, guys. When you open the chart, doesn't mean you trade all the chart. No, you look for the best setup, you look for the high probability setup, and you take the trade. As you can see today, 2 wins, right? I not get any other trade. Assuming I got this one too, it would have been a winning trade since my predictions were right. But doesn't mean every day when I trade, I get all 3 to be wins, or I get all 2 to be wins. Sometimes 1 win, 1 loss. Sometimes 2 wins, 1 loss. Sometimes 2 losses, 1 win. But either way, since I'm always taking 3 trades, definitely the day I'm going to break even for the day, or I'm going to make profit for the day. Or even if they are loss, sometimes I remember one time I got loss, and since I know losses are inevitable, it's nothing, right? Because the next day you're going to trade and make some profit. Overall, when the month ends and you put everything together, you're able to make profits out of the trading market. Okay, so you must know what you're doing as a trader before you begin trading. I think that will be all for this video. Come back every time. No, wait, you guys. Subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and come back every time to watch such videos. I'll be putting live trading video here. I'll be putting Finding FOREX Setup episode here, so that you're able to keep the setups in your mind, and when you're trading, you will do the same. So this is always your mentor, and signing out.